Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is choosing the best nitrile glove. So I'm going to tell you how to choose, and there's one glove for each job. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Welcome folks. Today we want to look at nitrile gloves. So I use these on my car, I use these around the house, or and also on different things around the house. It depends on the task. The least expensive one is this one over here, the blue one. You know it's very thin, you can see that, but it's a lot of feel and a lot of grasping power if you need to grip on something, right? And it feels really good on the hand. The next one I have here, this is a 6 mil. 6 mil is a little bit thicker than the one in blue, which they didn't say what mil is it. So this one is also pretty nice. Now you get to the ones that are really more serious. So this is 8 mil. And both of these are 8 mil. I just purchased another one from Amazon. And you can see it's a lot thicker, right? And you have a little bit less grasping feel if you're gonna grasp on something. And it looks good and it feels good. It has this texture to it, right? So essentially, you don't want to go above 8 mil, but this one is a different case. So this is the only one I find that's really soft, and and I have a lot of feel. And also it's durable as well too. So that I'll list that one there, but that's our case, I guess, and also has a extended cuff, so it's longer too. So that's an exception, I guess, to this rule. Safe grip. Okay, I'll put a comment with the link if you're interested in any of these over here. But the Super Nitro and the Glove Works, those are the best ones I tried. 6 mil basic task, and pretty expensive. It's the best seller on Amazon. This one is from Sam's Club. It doesn't list how many mil is it. I'm assuming it's going to be probably a 4, you know. And this one's probably gonna is a 6, and of course these are 8. So 8 is the best I would recommend. Instead with these, usually mils makes a difference. Also has some from Harbor Freight. Those are sometimes not the best, even though the mils are higher. So you kind of have to go around and test it all out. I spent quite a bit of money to do this, and I landed with these selections. So one different glove for a different job, and no glove is perfect. Different price points as well too. Put the link there to see it. So the orange ones I have are the best ones for the price. But then again, if you do something light, maybe don't want to get something too expensive. Hope you like this video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment to share, please leave it below. And please remember to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.